they create an item on Mercado, then Mercado creates the asset, right? And then you saw them list for sale. So what happens there is they list the item, and then Mercado creates a sale, and then the sale attaches itself to the asset. So only the sale can attach itself to the asset, and only an asset can create a sale. So that's like a level of security there that we've added. And now the last thing, I kept saying that it's similar to UTXO. So it's not exactly like the UTXO model, but it's inspired by it. We started out with smart contracts, and then again, we felt the need to bring in a UTXO model to give that extra functionality that real world assets would have, right? So here's an interesting example. So let's say there's a contract with 100 oranges for sale, right? And John's trying to sell 100 oranges, and then Jane comes and tries to buy 3 oranges. So what happens here is they go on Mercado, they buy 3 oranges, and then Mercado transforms that contract into 2 contracts now, one with 97 and the other one with 3, and the one with 3 would be owned by Jane. So it's kind of like, it's kind of like cell division essentially, right? So it's very similar to UTXO model. In UTXO, this one would, you create 2 new ones, and then this one would be spent. But here, like, this one gets transformed to that, and then you create a new one and increase the quantity, right? So again, we do this because now, like, they're 2 different contracts, and that gives you like granular control of every contract.